Recently, I heard Dara Kay, the CEO of Uber, say that the inflation in the economy, the prices going up of stuff, is giving him a flood of new drivers because people want to make a little extra money to pay for the things that they normally get, but they cost more. Have you seen the price of eggs lately? So I went ahead and I signed up with DoorDash thinking, I could learn a little bit about food delivery. And they said, no, you need to wait, Mr. J. So it was kind of like pushing a boulder up a hill. I was surprised. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why more people are signing up, the importance of signing up for everything that you can, and we're going to provide a bunch of links, right? And stick around at the end of the video. I'm going to share with you in this oversaturated market where there are still good opportunities to make money, where you can get to work soon. Everybody, it is Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy. Drinking my Nespresso. So, by way of background, I wanted to try food delivery. So I signed up for Uber Eats, no problem. And I signed up for DoorDash. And here's what DoorDash came back with me. They said, "Thank you for your interest in DoorDash!" Exclamation mark. "We've hit our capacity of Dashers in your area due to popularity. So we're not accepting applications at the moment. Not to worry, you've been added to our wait list. So please check back here to see when we're ready to welcome new Dashers." So what can you do about it? Well, in this video, I'm going to get into that right now. So number one, what's going on? Why is this market so oversaturated? So the economy is hot. Hot means that prices are going up. So if you look at these news reports, here we see this number shows that high inflation is sticking around. The next one, persistent inflation keeping grocery prices high for consumers. The next one, the Wall Street Journal, U.S. economy showed momentum at year's end, defying recession fears. The next one, Seeking Alpha, the Fed minutes may reveal a steep rise in rates on the horizon. Rates go up, prices go up. All right, and then the final one, the Economic Times, Fed's preferred inflation gauges seen running hot. Okay, so everything's going up. People who wouldn't think about doing gig work are now thinking about doing gig work, and they're all signing up because they want to get out on the weekends and make a little bit of extra money so that they can pay for the things that they normally paid for that cost less in the past. So number two, my recommendation is that you sign up for everything now. So I signed up for DoorDash about 3 weeks ago, and we're just going to wait and see when they say, I'm deemed appropriate for them for me to drive for them. So if you look below, we have links to almost everything you could sign up for. And our recommendation is that you sign up for everything because you don't know what's going to be open to you now and what may be open to you in the future. But by signing up now, at least you're giving yourself the best chance that when there is an opening, you're the person who's going to get into the program. All right. So check all those out right below. Okay. Number three, what I said I was going to share with you is ride-share driving for Uber and Lyft is still the place to be. Okay. There are, yes, a lot of drivers for sure. But if you work it smart, you can still make a good amount of money driving people. I recently did a video where I compared how much I made doing delivery versus rideshare driving, and rideshare driving it definitely pays you more, right? It requires more of a skill. You have to work with people, right? If you deliver food, you don't have to work with people. When they get in your car to take them to the airport, you got to have a conversation. You got to care about what your car looks like because you're going to have customers in it, things like that. So it requires a little bit more, but you can make more money. So what you're looking at right here, last weekend I drove for Uber and Lyft. And what I highlighted in red are all of the promotions and bonuses that they're offering. So on the left, you can see there in red, $93.50 in promotions. All right, that's what I got from Uber. And then over on Lyft, you can see I got $38 in different bonuses and promotions. So that's over $130 in bonuses. So see if this makes sense to you. they still need drivers at certain times of the day. If they didn't, they wouldn't be offering these bonuses, right? There are certain times of the day where they don't offer bonuses, and that's because there's plenty of drivers. But when they offer these bonuses, that means they want people to be driving during that time of the day. And if you want to make the most money possible, that's the time to drive, right? So the fact that they're giving the bonuses does tell us that they need more drivers during those times. And that's the reason I am recommending that you first look at driving for Uber and Lyft. So what are the key takeaways here? It's a tough economy, right? I'm shocked at how much people are paying for eggs and how much my grocery bill is every week when I go to buy groceries. So we go out and work, and more people are looking to go out and work. So sign up now, get on those waiting lists, find out who you can work for right now, and I bet you can get on with Uber and Lyft as a driver of people, and don't wait. Below are all the links to all of the things that you can sign up for, okay? And the last thing is, if you are driving, be grateful. You know, I was driving around thinking, wow, you know, I made like $900 in a few days driving for Uber and Lyft. I got like $130 in bonuses. I enjoy the work that I'm doing. And there are people who want to do food delivery who can't do it right now, right? There's probably people in some areas where they want to do Uber and Lyft and they can't sign up for that right now, where they do have enough drivers. So if you are driving and you're watching this, you probably are a driver and you're doing something. Be grateful. I think that's the key takeaway that I personally have felt. Be grateful for being sustained, opposed, nourished, informed, enlivened, blessed, embraced, connected, inspired, right? So I think that's a good way for us to end this. Acknowledge that the economy is tough on the consumer right now. We have some options. And if you're out there driving and making some money and enjoying your time, be grateful for that. So I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a like. Click on smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Learn how to make more money in less time with all of the different gig opportunities that are out there. This is Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy. And I want to say thanks for watching. Go out and have a great day. Be safe out there on the roads. See you next time. Bye-bye.